The June release of ArcGIS Online added a new Business Analyst widget to Web AppBuilder. The easiest way to create an app within ArcGIS Online is to go to the Create button and simply select Use the Web AppBuilder template. I'm going to give this a name, add a new tag like Business Analyst, and I'm going to copy the same title here into my summary. It automatically now starts Web AppBuilder for ArcGIS using the online version of Web AppBuilder. I'm going to stick with this foldable template, select the widgets that I want to populate here, click number 1, and you'll see from the menu dialog I now have a new widget called Business Analyst. I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to configure the functionality which is available to me. I don't want to allow people in this example to use rings, so I'm going to disable rings. I'm going to do the same thing with walk times. For my drive times, I only want people to be able to select 5 and 10 minutes around the location. Well, I could use all of the reports that Esri provides, reports I've created and those shared my organization. I'm going to turn this off. And what I'm going to do is, in this case, only allow my users to select the standard Esri reports, and within that I'm going to subset it down to 2 reports called the Commute Profile and the Employment Overview. I've now configured this, and my application is ready to run. I can run this in various previews and see what it looks like in all of these different devices, so I can run this live. But let's actually save this version and now launch it and have it running. With the foldable template, it's going to be a very simple app, just a single button up in the menu. I can search for an address. For example, let's look for the Esri headquarters. Here we are on 380 New York Street. It's automatically generated just the drive time location with no other options, and set it to the 5 and 10 minutes that I wanted. I click apply, and I'll now see a menu for the templates I want to run. And just as I configured, here is the commute template and the employment overview template. I can run each one of those using my 5 and 10 minute parameters. Here's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but I can also use this menu up here to the left to select another template, and it will work in exactly the same way now with my employment overview. Of course, because it's the familiar Business Analyst infographic reporting that we're all used to, we can configure the way that this is viewed. We can export to various formats like PDF, image, and dynamic HTML, and of course we can print it. So here I am back on the contents page, and what I want to do is make some changes to my application. To do that, I simply click on the ellipses, click Edit Application, and start to configure it. I'm going to use the Widgets option up here to change just the Business Analyst widget using the pencil dialog, and I'm going to expand out these example infographics that I have for the Esri infographics. And let's add another one, for example, like key facts. So I've got 3 now added. That's all good. I can save the application, launch it again, and you'll see that it now in my selection is going to have these 3 infographics as my options. Let's go back to the Esri headquarters. 5-10 minute drive time is still the same. Click apply. It's all running, and now from my template I've added in key facts, and I can run that infographic, and of course my previous 2 versions will be available to me. So you can see in just a few minutes I've been able to configure this entire application, come back in and modify it with different business rules. It's something that we're all able to do incredibly quickly. So thank you for watching this, and I hope you enjoy working with the Business Analyst widget in Web AppBuilder.